hands, boy. Put your goddamn hands up.
That nigga can't even fucking talk though. Boy.
Yeah, it's over with.
Yeah, grits.
Rock the magic city with 100 through the whole thing. I got rich before I turned 23 like LeBron James. Cop bit, move, same, yo, just switch slang. Cop new FJ, yo, just.
Hey, mister. I'm dropping shit.
That shit seems like it's gonna be so easy when you walk in that bitch.
Oh, nah, it's gonna be hard as fuck. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Wall and shit.
I look like Camp Hunter. I don't know. Could it be fucking missing?
I ain't gonna shoot 100%, but I'm knocking that bitch down. I tell you that, boy.
Oh God.
I promise you, boy.
Rob, what we gonna do now? Hey man, straight headshots, man. I'm tearing the whole paper off, man.
Mirror wig, judge.
Mirror wig. Ray. That nigga light skinned.
He did light skin look away. Like
Oh, I ain't know you pointed at me. Yo.
He ugly as fuck. What the fuck are they shooting in that bitch? It sound like they dribbling a damn basketball. Cuz. That's him right there? Yeah. God damn, that bitch loud as fuck.
Bitch shooter.
No, again.
It's that shit that killed Osama, nigga.
No, you did it.
That nigga.
Got them motherfuckers in here. Holy fuck. Wait. How do this shit? Push that bit down. Oh. Then next one. Yes, sir. What the fuck?
Do I pull it? Wait.
Yeah, pull it back.
I pull it before I take the safety off, or I take the safety off first?
The safety already off.
No, it's not. It's on. It's right here. I pull it before I take the safety off?
Huh?
I pull it before I take the safety off?
Take the safety off, then pull.
Alright.
Hold that bitch towards that.
I am.
What's a ray?
He hit you?
It's, hey man, what you do? What you doing?
You ain't do nothing but give him a hurt.
Chest, nigga. I think I hit chest and I think I was already hit. One of the two, but I hit.
This me right here, twin. Shit, show.
I'm hitting next.
That don't count. That don't count in here. Oh shit. Know what I'm saying, man? I mean, like that for real. That boy had face. Know what I'm saying, bro? Straight headshots. Yes, sir, Steve.
It's barely hitting?
He talking barely hitting. Hey, watch out, Ray. This right here? Barely hitting that nigga. That's face.
That's in the middle of his face. He's dead.
That's in the middle of his face.
Let me see yours. Hey. That's in the middle of his face if you want to be accurate.
That right there is, yeah. That is not. That's still face.
Okay, well that's his mouth.
That nigga dead.
He's dead with this.
You right.
If 5 times you dead. nigga. You got 3 bullets, 4 bullets in a row. That's my dick, nigga.
That boy hit, that boy hit.
What's wrong with this nigga? You see this shit?
Talk to these niggas, man. Hey, I'm finna shoot that bitch now.
What up?
How you get the gun? You like, I know that want to shoot.
Put it back in place. So is it good?
What are you supposed to do?
Yeah. So what I just pulled it when it was already caught back.
Yeah,
so good?
yeah,
You good? Okay.
What? You gotta hold that bitch.
I didn't think that big
That shit went there before. Don't play with it, man.
That nigga can't even fucking talk though, bro.
Yeah, it's over with.
That grits. That nigga whole jaw, fuck.
Oh,
Nigga neck leaking. Nigga.
Out of there.
Oh, he fucking out of there. fuck.
Let's see if I hit something.
Oh, you shot already?
Oh my god, stop playing.
You hit him in the face from that far?
Bam, 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 bam.
Wait, from
I only hit face shots.
it was 40. You said where? That bill was 45.
Yeah.
That bill at 45. Oh no, let me get right with the 45, man.
Bro, all these small bullets, bro, that's all what I just did. Cause I only had this one. I know I had like 2.
These 2 right here, definitely.
Yeah.
I think this one for sure.
That nigga brains everywhere right now.
I think this one right here too.
Crazy nigga.
I ain't hit nothing, boy. All around.
I wasn't trying to aim with that bitch, I was just trying to dunk that hoe.
How the nigga?
I just want to see how that bitch felt. Dunk that hoe.
In the middle.
He hit something.
Yeah, hit in the middle right there, and right there, and all in the middle.
That boy chest got fucking blipped.
Yeah, chest over with.
Donkey man. You on homework on memory putting bullets in a nigga.
Oh wait, hold on. Before and after, so you know.
I ain't hit shit. No, I hit something. I hit a little bit.
Yeah.
Look, son. Freeze, boy! Put your goddamn hands up! Oh shit!
That's what I was asking earlier. Name.
I'll let it. He finna shoot fully auto. I'm finna go look at it.
Go for this one.
That shit crazy.
So I already checked you guys' firearms. You guys are good. You can just take them out.
Yes, sir. That bitch crazy.
Oh fuck no.
Damn. That shit dangerous.
Hey.